welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to change your profile photo and name on the Locket app. If you want to update your profile so your friends see the latest versions of you, here's the step-by-step guide. First of all, open the Locket app and then go to the main screen and tap profile icon. This will open the profile editing page where you can change your personal info. Like click on your profile and then just change your profile picture, whichever picture you want to add it, and then click on save, and this will change your profile picture. To change your name, tap the name field and then tap the name field and type your display name to save, and tap save or update name your updated name will appear all your Locket's friend immediately. And that's it. If you haven't granted access yet, then go to settings and grant your access. Privacy tip: clear photo and pick a clear photo and only use personal images you're comfortable sharing with. Your profile is visible to everyone on a Locket's friend list. Quick fix: if changes don't update, first close and reopen the app to refresh your profile. Make sure you have stable internet connection. If the image does not save, clear Safari cookies in the Safari app, and then that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.